So hi everyone. So right now I will teach you how to create Facebook ads. So for example, um, this is your first time creating campaign in your store. So for example, this is really your first time. So it means you don't have any data. So what you're going to do, uh, click the create and then this one. So you will see here. So you need to choose the campaign objective. So you can see here awareness. So in awareness here, the brand awareness. So it means can be increased aware of your brand, uh, just to for your audience to be aware about them and then reach. So to add the maximum number of the people that you want to reach. And then conversion. So here they have traffic, engagement. So if you have apps you want to to do ads, and then video views. So if you want your videos to be viral, lead generation, so to get more like email leads, and then messages. So you're if you are doing like a like a course that they integrated into a chatbot, so this is what you're going to use. And then conversion, so to convert them to purchase or to add a cart in your business, catalog sales, and then store traffic. So like what I said, uh, if this is your first time, Facebook campaign or ad for your new store, what you're going to do is the conversion. So you need to click first the conversion, and then so you need to name your campaign. So for example, conversion magnetic ball. So you can put also the date 9/14/19, and then the campaign budget. So you need to put this one because this is this will be your daily budget. So for example, for $5 or $10, so it depends to you. And then click continue. So you can see here the ad set. So the same conversion neo magnetic ball. For example, that is your name, and then copy this one next later. So you can see here in conversion, it's automatic in your website because your goal is to convert them or to buy them on your store. So now this is automatic. You have your pixel there. So conversion event. So what you're going to do. So click this and you can see here, there's a lot of things here. So view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, search, add payment, purchase, and etc. So like what I said, if this is your first Facebook ad for your store, you don't have any data. What you need to do is view content first, because what I said, we are collecting data first for your store. So we need to know the peoples that are um, really interested or really you know uh, interested in your store or in your product. So that's why we need this view content. And then so you will not do anything here in dynamic and offer, and then here so create a new audience. So because you still don't have any audience yet, so what you're going to do is do this. So So for example, your target audience are in United States. So you will put United States there, and then you will click people who live in this location. So why? Because there's a lot of people in the United States, but there are people that don't live there. So what you really want are the people that have their address. So you want the people who live in this location. Okay, so in age. So for example, my product here is Neo Magnetic Ball. So I consider that this is for age 14 and then 65. So you need to do your research for your campaign. So it depends to your, to your product. So you need to know who are the people who really you think that they will like it. So what are the ages? So like me, my product is toy that I'm sure that people who have in the age of 14 and up are interested to buy. The gender also, so I know everyone can like this toy. So that's why I put all genders. And then detailed targeting. So again, so for my toy, I believe that my target audience will be interested also in puzzle. So like that. And so you can see here, yan, potential rate is 230 million people. So that is so broad. So what you're going to do, remove this one, expand detailed. So you will see here, it got down to 14 million. So it depends to you what uh, interest you want, because you can see here the Facebook also gives you that in every 14 million people, uh, you probably reach 132 to 382 uh, per day in 7 days. And then in this 132 or 382, the conversion rate will might be 12 to 34. So if you think uh, that is fine with you, so you can stay with this, or if you want to narrow audience, so you can still uh, what they call this think another interest. So for example, puzzle, you can jigsaw puzzle. So you can see here, see it got down to 730. So so in Facebook app, you can always test everything. So that's why you could put this to interest, or you could stay just one here. So, but for example, here in United States, you only have one location. My advice to you, it will not be over one 1.5 million. So for me, this is better, 730,000. So that's why I'm gonna stick here. Okay, so again, don't click this expand detail, and then you can save this audience. So you can have this one, in your audiences. Okay. So and then placement. So placement, you can see here automatic placement. This is recommended by the Facebook. But what we're going to do is edit placement, because most of the people are in the mobile phone. So that's why we always recommend uh, the news Facebook feeds only. So then click and check everything here and check. Check. Okay, so there you go. So again, so you will not touch anything here. So what you're going to do to make it sure that like this one, so you can run here this start it today. Once the Facebook approve your ad, it will run automatic today. Or you can set a start date. For example, if you want to start this one on tomorrow, so just click this one and then what time, and then stay there. But I wanted to run as it today. And then make it sure that 7 days after clicking, 1 day after viewing, and then continue. So now, so again here, always the ad name. So identity. So you just need to choose the the right pixel for your campaign. So like this, I'm in the follow hub. So you don't have to add with this one because we are not running ad in the Instagram. And then, so for example, you can create ad. So if you have you existing, you can use this one. But right now, I'm teaching you your first Facebook ad campaign. So that's why we're going to use this, the create ad. Then format, you can use carousel. So carousel is like this one. So it has like 3, 4, 5 pictures or product that you want to show in your ad. Or you can use single image or one or video, and then collection. So if you have a collection in your in your website, in your store, so you can use this. But for now, I want to do the single video. So here in the media, so click the video and then upload. Okay, so right now I already have here my okay, so right now here I'm already have my picture for my ad. So what you're going to do is to put text and links on your uh, ad. So for example, the primary text, uh, see what is new, or for example, new arrival. For example, new arrival. So, for example, let's copy something here. So here, example like that. And so you will see these toys are experiencing a lot of hours full of fun and entertainment. So grab yours. And then, so it's good to have, to put also emojis on your ad. So what we're going to do, I have here emoji. So for example, here, okay, you can see here, you can add another one. Oh, sorry. There. And then, so what you need to do is to put the link of your toy here. So let's go in my store. And this one. So you copy this, but you will not put this link on your ad because it's too long. So what we're going to do, let's go to the bit.ly and then make it short. here you go. So let's shorten now. So that this is what we're going to put here. So here, so like that. And then headline. So headline will be, for example, free shipping. And then description, limited time only. Okay. So now the website URL. So you can copy this one, this long one, because it will not show it there. So there. So if ever they're going to click this, your ad, it will go directly to the page. And then what you're going to do in your call to action, you will change this to shop now. Okay. And then so language are okay. This one you will not put anything and then confirm. So there you go. So right now there. So this is in review. So if ever the so right now I will just close this because I don't want the you know uh, this ad will gonna approve by the Facebook. So that's it. So congratulations, and you have your first Facebook ad uh, already. So if you like this video, please um, click like here and then subscribe to my channel. So if every time I'm gonna have a uh, new videos, tutorials, you will be notified. So thank you and have a nice day.